Hey guys, today I'll quickly show you how to share your cards from the Collectr app. Super easy and fast. First, open the app and tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Next, go to settings and look for portfolio sharing. Turn it on and you'll see a link you can copy. Once you've copied the link, you can share it anywhere, chat, email, social media. Anyone with the link can see your cards. And that's it, just a few taps and your Collectr portfolio is ready to share. If you know any other tricks for sharing cards faster, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear them. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.